Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. In this week's video I'm doing another episode of drawing Ninjago characters in my own style. Last time we did Jay, one of the ninjas, and if you haven't seen that video yet, there's a whole playlist with all my Ninjago drawings on this channel, so go check it out. And for this video I chose one of the bad guys, being Acronix. He's one of the two current elemental masters of time, and he has a very cool design, so I thought why not give this one a go. So let's not wait any longer and let's get drawing. That's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. If you want to see a more high resolution version of this illustration, go check out my DeviantArt account. I put all my illustrations there. That brings us to the end of this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!